Now, children, all of you are requested to put your videos on. Don't sit like that. Everybody put your videos on so that I can begin the class. Manhir, Daksh, Ashi, are you there?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Opening in 2 minutes.
All right. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Even I'm going to open my video when you all will open. Everybody open your videos.
Ma'am, I have opened.
What happened, Manhir and Daksh? Manhir, are you there? Daksh, are you there? All right. In that case, I have to remove Daksh because he's not there. Fazil, open your video, beta, so that we can begin the class.
Bonjour, bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. Comment ça va?
मैम मैं आपके वॉइस सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
Why? Am I not clear, children? Am I not audible?
Clear. Ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, Fazil, now is it fine? Can you listen to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I can listen to you.
Fazil, now please hurry up and put your video on, beta. Don't make me repeat this line again and again. Let's begin the class. You have your French exam day after tomorrow, right?
Yes,
Day
ma'am.
after tomorrow?
Ma'am.
Yes. So any problems, any doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
No, all clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Then everybody open up page number 83 of your books. Daksh, are you ready to be removed?
I'm opened.
Opened. Now there is given question number 2 on the top. Question number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
everybody, each one of you is going to do question number 2. You're going to you're going to type this in the chat box and send it to me. Send it on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
class group. Oh, not class group, sorry, in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am. But we have tomorrow.
Ma'am, page number 43.
82, page number 83. 83. You have
But
French
we
exam
have
tomorrow.
friends. Yes, ma'am.
All right, okay. Hurry up, do it and show it to me. This question. Can you all conjugate these verbs? Can you all conjugate these verbs? Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
Ashi.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Now the verb parler means to speak. That's right. But how do you conjugate it? Whenever we do the conjugation of verbs, we do it with all subject pronouns. Ye tu il el, nu vu il el. Right? So start doing. Manhir, will you be able to do it?
Ma'am, I can do second.
All right, everybody do it.
Ma'am, I can do second one.
What do you want to? You have to do, all of you have to do all the verbs. You are just giving me the translation to speak, to live. This is not the conjugation. I'm not asking you what the verb means. I'm saying you to conjugate. Like je parle, tu parles, il parle, nous parlons, like that.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Open up page number 82 of your books. Sorry, page number 83.
Ma'am, open.
Yes, now there on the top, there is question number 2 given, in which it's written
Yes, sir.
to conjugate these verbs. Now I have told you to conjugate all these verbs, write it in the chat box and send it here. Let me see how you conjugate these verbs. Ashi, don't write the translation beta. Just go on writing the conjugation like how conjugation is given in your books. Je parle, tu parles, like that.
Ma'am, we have to send in all chat or
Yes, yes.
privately you?
No, send it in all chat.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, children, do one thing. See, Manhir, Ashi, Daksh, everybody open up page number 81. Now, how you conjugate a verb, you can see these two pink tables, those that are given.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
how you
Yes,
conjugate
ma'am.
a verb, beta. This is how you conjugate a verb. See how they have written j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, like that. Send all of it together. Previously also in your last exam, you students made this mistake by doing what you are doing right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So first see how conjugations are done. What is the pattern of ER ending verbs? Can anybody tell me what is the pattern of ER ending verbs?
Ma'am, uh, ma'am, ER ending verbs, after ER ending verbs, LR come in the group.
They come in the ER ending verbs. ER ending verbs are what? ER is a group of verb. Now, how do we conjugate it? We conjugate it by putting E, ES, E, ONS, EZ and ENT. That is how it is done. Now, Fazil Khan, when you conjugate je parle, you don't put apostrophe because parler is being started with a consonant, not a vowel. Okay, so je will come in the full form. Now, everybody just wait and stop typing. Everybody stop typing, put your videos on, all of you. Can you see in the chat box, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, the verb is parler. Parler means to speak. When you see here, this one, write the second table. What is
Yes, ma'am.
written here? Verb parler. Right? Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
P-A-R-L-E-R. P-A-R-L-E-R. This is the infinitive form of the verb. What is it? It is the infinitive form. Like we say to dance, to run, to sit, to stand. These are infinitive. But when we have to conjugate, when we have to use any verb in sentence, we don't put it in its infinitive form. We always put the verb in the conjugated form. Clear? अगर हमें कहना है she मतलब the girl sits. What do we say? The girl sits. We don't say the girl to sit. Do we say to sit? To sit is what? The infinitive form. To eat is the infinitive form. Right? We remove that to and conjugate the verb according to the subject pronoun. She के साथ s लगता है, he के साथ s लगता है, I के साथ क्या लगता है? नहीं लगता. Similarly, in French, there is a rule according to which these verbs are conjugated with the subject pronouns. Now, when you look at this pattern, everybody look at what I have typed. Je parle. End कहाँ पे हुआ? हमने er को last में जो er है. Why do we call this verb er? Because we've got er in the end. Now, what is the pattern? We remove this er and put, what do we put? See, the verb that is given in the table. Now, each one of you can see the last word is highlighted in red color. It is written in red color. Look into your books. Page number 81.
Yes, ma'am.
The verb parler. Now, these red color endings is what? E-E-S-E. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm reading from here. I have started from here. E-E-S-E, then moving on, O-N-S-E-Z-E-N-T. Clear? So this is the pattern. This is the particular fixed pattern in which these subject pronouns work. Now, when I ask you, what is the verb parler with nu? Nu के साथ क्या होता है? Look into the table and tell me. क्या हो जाता है?
ONS.
ONS. What is it with ILS? ILS के साथ क्या होता है?
ENT.
ENT. Yes. This is what it becomes with different verbs. ठीक है? So what is the pattern? Everybody write the pattern. E-E-S-E, O-N-S, E-Z-E-N-T. Now can you conjugate the verb? If we want to say that we speak, we will say nous parlons. We can't say nous parler. Nous parler becomes wrong. If I have to say I speak, I will say je parle. I will not say je parle or je parlons. That becomes wrong. Clear to everyone? Now each one of you, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Each one of you conjugate the verbs that are given on page number 83 on the top and show it to me. How you do it. Do it in the chat box and show it to me.
Ma'am, we have to send to everyone.
Either you can send it to everyone or you can send it to me privately.
Okay, ma'am.
Again, Akshat Chandra. Why have you put apostrophe between j and pal? बेटा पाल जो है कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. P is a consonant. अपॉस्ट्रोफी हम सिर्फ तब लगाते हैं जब इमीडिएट नेक्स्ट वर्ड हमारा वॉवल से स्टार्ट हो रहा हो. P is not a vowel, so we write Jpal. Now Daksh Bhardwaj, Jabitet. What is why et in the end, beta? Why et in the end? Okay. One more rule, that in French language, letter H is treated as a vowel. We always treat letter H as a vowel. So we put apostrophe between J and Abit. What it becomes? It becomes Jabit. It becomes like this. Yabit. Yem. Very good, Manhir. Japal. Now pick one word. Ashi, only pick one word, complete the conjugation of one verb, and then do the second one. You have conjugated pal also, you have conjugated abit also. Whenever you are asked to conjugate a verb, you have to conjugate it with all subject pronouns. सिर्फ एक के साथ नहीं करते हैं, we do it with all of them. j, tu, il, nu, vu, il.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Ashi, again you have done tu, emer. Emer को आपने infinitive form में क्यों लिखा है? This is the infinitive form of the verb. What it becomes with tu? es लग जाएगा. Tu m. es आएगा बेटा बाद में. aimes. Tu m. Yes, this is the correct one. Tupal, very good. What about the boys of the class? Why are you not sending me? Yes, tupals. Then after tu comes il. Write down il. Very nice. Ilpal. Great. Tu detest. Now again, Fazil, why have you put the infinitive form? Conjugate the verb and then write. Il parle, nous parlons. Very good. Vous parlez. Great. Nous parlons. Very good. Fazil, just make the correction and then write tu detest. Very good, Daksh Bhardwaj. Your pal, Thupal, Ilpal, Elpal. Very nice.
जी
Manhir, Ashi, and Daksh have sent me the complete conjugation. There are students left to send me the complete conjugation. Now see, Manhir, Ashi, and this one, Daksh, you can change the verb and conjugate the next verb. Start conjugating the next verb. Now, Manhir, again, where is the apostrophe between J and Abi? H is treated as a vowel, beta, and we put apostrophe in between. And whenever we put apostrophe, we remove E from J. J apostrophe Abit. Okay, Ashi? Yes, now it's correct. Jabit. Okay, very nice. Elles habitent, vous habitons. Vous habitons, no, Akshat. It's not vous habitons. It's vous habitez. EZ. Ashi, vous habitons is wrong. Again, Manhir, even you have written wrong. Beta, what does vous take? Vous takes EZ. See, I'm going to type this thing in the chat box. Everybody, please take a note of it. Okay, click a picture, take a screenshot. Je takes E. Je takes E. Now this is the pattern that comes with all the subject pronouns. E, ES,
Ma'am, mine is correct.
ONS, EZ, ENT. Yes, yours is absolutely correct. Very
Ma'am,
good.
ma'am, now I understand, ma'am, how to do.
Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now everybody take a screenshot of the message that I have sent. Je will have E in the end. Tu will have ES in the end. L will again have E. Nu takes ONS. Wu takes EZ. And ilzels take ENT. This is what you have to remember. That is why I showed you the table that is made, the pink table that is made. They have highlighted each ending in red color. Is it clear to all of you? Very good, Manhir. Jem, tu, m. Now, each one of you try to do exercise number 3 on page number 83. Page number 83, exercise number 3. What is the difference between je and je? There is no difference. The only thing is we use j apostrophe before a verb starting with a vowel. And both of them mean I. There is no difference.
Okay, ma'am.
Ilpal, very good. Now this one, you can, this exercise, if you want to send me the answers, better you can send it to me privately. Let me see how many of you can do it correctly. Everyone, please do exercise number 3 on page 83. Manhir, your second one is wrong. Beta, because you have not conjugated it correctly with nu. What does nu take? Nu takes ONS in the end. Just make the correction and send it again. Yes, now it's correct. These little things of yours, these little mistakes of yours get you, like, make me cut your marks. So this is only what is counted, like we count matras in Hindi.
Ma'am, I don't know the third one.
Third one, manual. Okay, manual is, manual, we are talking about whom? We are talking about a boy. Right? Now, if we replace this name manual, with which subject pronoun are we going to replace it? Like suppose, huh? Yes?
L.
Ill, beta, ill. For he, we use ill. तो ill के साथ कैसे conjugate करेंगे एमेर को? Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm sending you in the chat box.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am also sending in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have sent it. Is mine correct?
Wait. Where is it? Manhir. Yes, it's absolutely correct.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Yes, Daksh, wait, I'm checking, beta. Okay. Now it becomes Adite in event or beta Daksh, your seventh one is wrong. Daksh, can you listen to me? Your seventh one is wrong. And your eighth one is also wrong. Manhir, again, your fourth one, beta, you have not conjugated it correctly. Fourth one has to be conjugated correctly.
Ma'am, mine is right or wrong?
Beta, your seventh and eighth are wrong.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my answer is right.
Yes, your answers are all correct.
Ma'am, I have sent seventh one again. Please check.
Yes, now seventh one is correct. Yes, Manhir,
Ma'am.
even you have made the correction. Wait, beta, Fazil, I'm checking. Yupal, Il, Maper.
Ma'am,
Beta,
I have sent
eighth one,
seventh.
Fazil, you have not done the eighth one. Maper,
Okay, ma'am.
Sapel.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Daksh, now
Ma'am,
say.
right.
Daksh, what are you
Ma'am,
saying?
I have sent seventh one again. Ma'am, I have sent seventh one
Yes,
again. Is
yes,
it
now
right?
it's correct. Now it's correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, mine
Ma'am,
is
Now, Maper, Sapel. Maper, Sapel.
Ma'am, I don't know the eighth one.
What is the eighth one? Mo, per, sa, pel. Okay, my father. When we're talking about somebody like my father, we are talking about one person. So it will be conjugated according to il. Now my father calls himself. S'appelle. What comes with il and el? The ending is e. So we do it. Mon père s'appelle. My father calls himself Monsieur Lavigne. 10th one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to ask ma'am about manual and question number 8. So, ma'am, mon père appelle. I
That
not
is what,
understand these two only.
beta, that is what I explained na. Mon père, we are talking about one person. Third person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं and one person, my father. तो my father क्या हो जाएगा? ill हो जाएगा. तो इसका conjugation जो है ill के हिसाब से होगा. Now ill की ending क्या होती है? E ending होती है last में. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
तो mon père s'appelle. And Manhir, 10th one, are you raising your hand?
Ma'am? No,
Yes.
ma'am. I have not written the number in the 10th one, so I said 10th
Okay.
one is.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, for manual also, ma'am, of third.
Yes.
Okay,
Manual also. Where names
Okay, ma'am.
appear, we see that how many names are there, masculine, feminine, which is there. We do according to that.